Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing power and confirming the connection type. This matters because Bluetooth pairing differs from a USB receiver. Install fresh batteries or charge the keyboard above 50% so pairing won't drop. Once done, locate the model label to confirm Bluetooth versus receiver. Make sure the computer's Bluetooth is enabled or that you have a free USB port. After checking, switch the keyboard on and hold its pairing button for the indicated 3-5 seconds to enter discoverable mode. You now perform the actual pairing and driver setup so the keyboard works reliably. For a USB receiver, plug it into the computer and let the OS auto-install drivers. Do not interrupt this 20-60-second process. For Bluetooth, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, choose the HP keyboard when it appears, and type or confirm the PIN if requested. Then install HP Support Assistant or the keyboard utility to enable function keys and firmware updates. This ensures optimal layout and special key behavior. You finish by validating and tuning the keyboard so daily use is seamless. Test typing and all FN combos, and then adjust layout or repeat key mapping in the OS keyboard settings if characters differ. Make sure auto-sleep is enabled to preserve battery life. Set it to 5-15 minutes. If things go wrong, repair first, then replace batteries or recharge. And finally, update drivers or firmware via HP Support Assistant. These 3 steps fix most connectivity and responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.